So today our vlog guys is going to road trip from Manago to Summit Miglamin, Malaybalay City. So welcome to Makuya for Bada. Bahada. Dili na guys ha. Paalala lang yun nila. So actually guys, yung summit guys, ito po yung area na to. This is yung summit. So hindi ko na nakikita yung server dito. This is a big tank here to serve ang water, but I think bubungan yan. Ayun na guys, hain na siya. Ayun yung yung dalawang lechonero. Ito yung ayan, may reclap, ayan ha. Guys, ako nang magdadrive. Ikaw naka-neutral. Bye bye Jay! Hindi amin to ha. Makakala nyo na amin to. So actually guys, matagal akong hindi nakabalik dito. For maybe almost 11 years. Like that. And saan ka lang naman dito? Ate, pwede magtanong? Ay, pwede naman magtanong. Nasa kaya ang katong server sa unang punta ko dito kayong camping? Wala na kaya? So suddenly guys, wala na dahil. So surprise ko sana yun na ipakita. Ang ganda kasi nun dito. Ang laki nung server na yun, yung water. So saan yung nagsusupply pala te? Ay, sorry ha.
Sa Matangpatang.
Sa Matangpatang yun.
Kasi katong reservoir sa summit nga gamay.
Kato galing na ako idea, di ba?
Kuan mo magyapon ko sa una kanang marag kanang pero ang katong dako mo mga reservoir na katumingin.
Oo.
Sa summit nga kamay ko siya sa Lambagan.
Sa Lambagan.
Dili kuan man ni siya, Miglamin, Malaybalay. Katong may dakong reservoir, katong naa bitaw reservoir din ana itong dakong kamay. Sa Lambagan sa summit sa Lambagan, katong summit gamay.
Ako magumadugduman ng server katong dari ara.
Katong sa una.
Mo kanya kung yan dari ah.
Kuan sa pakto.
Baon ka. Wala nang balik sa
Nas na kayo. Patay na ko siya.
So guys, meron palang nagmamayari noon. So sabi nila, the owner was already dead. That's why it's not came back again. The server. So actually kaya din ako pumunta dito. Dito kasi yung sinasabi ng sabi nila yung late grandfather ko at saka late grandmother ko meron din lupa dito. So I was not able to show you guys.
Nandulod sila sa bunga.
Sino? Palay alaga. Pakita mo nga, Jo. Mo nang ginaingon ni Kuan. Balay sa Alamayon, balay sa Alamayon. So ako nila pa, Jo.
Dere siguro.
Ha?
Dere.
Asan si Gino?
Wala ni iban.
Auto. Maro.
Naman sila.
Hindi ko kasabot, bye. Guys, saya na ako pero hindi ko maintindihan. It's
Bubungan mo na
Marujon no Fogtro. I didn't understand. I did not. Bubungan.
Dere sila eh.
Hindi ko alam. Ano ba? Tindahan dito. So same guys, as usual, yung pinakita ko sa inyo doon sa Simaya, same here also sa Summit. So more on the people here, they are doing this is a small store. It's small, a sari-sari store. Wala tayong kwarta pero palit ta. Ano yung dapat bro? Asa sila padulong Joy? Joy,
Mga on man daw sila.
mangaon sila?
Oh, mag-snack. Asa sila nag-snack?
Kasi digla, asa mo gikan?
Ang view dira, chata magod.
So, sa mga anak sa kuan guys, ayan. Guys, so this is the, what do you call this? Dito yung dati, yung may malaking tubigan doon sa taas guys. Pakita mo nga Joy. So, dyan, ang alam ko, dyan yung may pinakamalaking tubigan before. Kini? Padulong dito, di ba?
itlog,
Kana diya, alam ko, malukot. Dapat dito, dito.
Uy, ginoo ko.
So guys, when you're coming here in the summit, ito yung makikita yung view guys. Na ano no, dapat puntahan natin.
5.
Yun na, 5 na lang
5
pamasahe.
na lang, ay magpiso. Ay maglangit.
Oo nga, kana gani. Kana. Walang ano. Oh.
Ah, dapit ya?
Ay, you know.
Katong sa buton
Oh.
lagi.
Oh, ano?
Kayo, kayo kay,
Hmm.
ko busugal di ay.
So, guys, this area is not belong by the, what they call this, Capistrano Mountain. Maybe at the back of the Capistrano Mountain, you can see that one. But the Capistrano Mountain is higher than this 16 meters. And I don't know this mountain kasi wala pa siyang, ano guys, walang nakalagay sa history. Only the Capistrano Mountain is having the history already in the Wikipedia. So, I didn't know. So, this is Miglamin, Malaybalay City, Bukidnon. It's a part of Bukidnon, guys. So, here in the Miglamin, guys, there's a lot of changes. Kasi, napansin ko, guys, yung daanan is naka-ano na siya, naka-semento na. So, before kasi, yung semento hindi nakakarating dito hanggang doon lang. Then, ngayon, kung makikita mo siya guys, kasi tingnan mo, kahit yung mga corner, yan, meron na siyang nakalagay talaga na hindi ka basta-basta ma-disgrasya dito. So, doon na side guys, may papakita ko sa inyo, parang maliit siya, nakakatakot siya dati. Check. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo dati guys, na nakakatakot na place. Kasi, parang bilog yan siya na pa ganun. Then, sobrang lalim nito. Pero kita mo ngayon, ang laki talaga ng changes dito. Which is, yung mga corner din nilalagyan na nila ng semento. So, napakaganda guys. So, usually, there's a lot of accident was happen in this area, but now, maybe you cannot see. Dito sa Summit Miglamin, Malaybalay City. So, like I said, matagal akong hindi nakabalik dito at hindi ko masyadong namalayan kung ano talaga yung nangyari. So, but there's a lot of changes here guys, and one of this one, which is the Bubuhan.
Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored?
Ball, undipped nachos, chic, mango, cookies and cream, black forest, strawberry, beef. So wala kayong mga alak na binibenta dito po, no? Bakit wala?
Alak na.
Okay. So they sell also liquor here, guys. So may limit naman siguro, no? So may curfew din siguro. Until 9 o'clock only. So ayun guys, may liquor dito. Pwede kayo mag-enjoy until only 9 o'clock. So here only in the summit, guys, Malaybalay City, Bukidnon.
Miglamin.
Ay, Miglamin Summit, Malaybalay City, Bukidnon.
Gan.